how to add variants in Shopify. In order to add variants in Shopify, you may follow up this process. So head over to your Shopify admin page, which is this one right here, and you will be finding this interface once you are logged in. Now you need to go ahead and select the product option. You can directly find it on your home screen if it is new, or you can tap on the menu at the top left and go to the products page option from the given menu. Tap on it in order to open up products and select the option of product here. And this opens up like this. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the option to click on product. So tap on add product and it will give you option, and on the product page you may just scroll down until you see a variant option. So here you need to provide a description about your products, and when you scroll a bit you will be finding option of variant. You may scroll down until you reach over to this section, and here you may look out for option which is right here, add options. Tap on it like size or color. Now here in this option name you can enter the name of the option such as size here, and after that you can just go ahead and enter up the color as well, and you can enter up the specific value for that option separated by commas, example small, medium, large, etc. And if you need to add another variant, you can look out for this option called add another option, and you can add like material to color and repeat the step. And remember, you can have up to 3 options per product. Once you've entered all of your options and their values, you can click on the done option and tap on save, and click the save button at the top at the bottom of the product page. And after saving, Shopify will generate every possible combination of your options, and you can now set specific details for each variant such as price, SKU, barcode, inventory level, shipping weight, images, etc. So if you'd also like to add variants to Shopify, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.